Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious sweet treat, oatmeal banana bread. So to get started, I have some overripe bananas here, and I have the oatmeal. Of course, I'll be using some eggs. I have some sour cream, baking soda, baking powder, salt, sugar, some chocolate chips, and vanilla. So first things first, what I did was add my oats to a small food processor, and I processed this to a nice fine consistency. If you want to add all the ingredients to a large food processor and blend everything together, you sure can. I wanted different textures, so I decided to blend them separately. Here you see me mashing the bananas, and then I'll go in with the eggs, the vanilla. I will add the sugar, sour cream, basically all the wet ingredients, mix well and set aside. Next, I will combine all the dry ingredients, mix that in, and then we will add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Give it a good mix, and the last thing we'll add is our chocolate chips. Once everything is nicely combined, we'll transfer to our baking dish. So today I'll be using a loaf pan. Next, you want to transfer the batter into your loaf pan. I did grease the pan first and place a piece of parchment paper at the bottom. We will add some additional chocolate chips over top and set this in a 350-degree oven for about 40-45 minutes or so. After about 45 minutes, this is how the bread is looking. It smells absolutely amazing. But first, we'll allow it to cool down for about 10 minutes, then remove it and place it onto our wire rack where you want to allow it to cool down completely before slicing into it. You know, I could not wait, so I sliced into it almost right away. And it was a bit, falling apart, but that's my fault. It was still amazing. This was so moist, so delicious, the right amount of sweetness and everything, and the chocolate chips took it over the top. I love those bananas that I can still see in there, and that's why I did not blend everything. I wanted the different textures, like I said, but this was so divine. It's my absolute favorite. Like, this did not last a minute in my house. This was done the same day. Usually when I make this stuff, I usually have some leave over the next day, but not this one. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.